Here's a tutorial on how to do the thumb around. Step 1. Find a pen. Pencils and markers also work very well. If your pen has a clip, go ahead and remove it. Step 2. Find the center of gravity and mark it. Now place the pen between your middle finger and thumb with the center of gravity below your thumb. Push the pen towards you with your middle finger so it will spin around the thumb. Use the weight of the pen to make it go around the thumb. Oh, and don't forget to catch the pen with your index finger. Make sure the center of gravity is below the thumb so the pen can come all the way around. When I do the thumb around, I normally put the center of gravity either on or below my middle finger so that it will be easier to push around. Throwing the pen towards your knuckle makes it easier to catch and slower than it is to throw the pen straight up. Don't push the pen too hard or too soft because you won't be able to catch it. Watch how the center of gravity mark moves around my thumb. And that's how you do the thumb around.
Because you won't be able to catch. Oh my goodness.